What's up guys, Wale here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 different ways you can make money this period. So in my last video, I talked about how you can spend less on essentials. If you haven't watched that video, you can click on this link to take you to that video. And after that video, I got a video request to make a video on how you can make money this period. Now, I know it has been a rough few weeks for a lot of people, and some people are on the verge of losing their jobs. So I thought it would be of great help to share some of the ways I think you can make money this period. Now, these ways won't necessarily get you rich, but will definitely put some extra money in your pockets. Now, if you're a student, I advise you to watch this video to the very end because there's a special money making tip just for you. Before I go into the video, don't forget to hit the like button if you find this content useful, and also consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you when I drop a video. With that out of the way, let's dive into it. Number 1 is become an Uber driver. Before you say, I don't own a car, relax. You don't have to own a car to be an Uber driver. So many people that own cars that aren't doing anything. They're just there in their compound gathering dust. All you have to do is to leverage on those opportunities. Some of those people even want to use their cars for Uber, and all they need is someone who can drive those cars and deliver a certain amount of money, say every week. The cool thing about this is that some owners are even willing to offer the car on hire purchase, meaning that you can drive to own those cars as long as you've paid a certain amount of money, which has been pre-agreed between yourself and the owner of the car. So let's say you even end up owning that car after driving it for 2 years. You can also give that car out to someone else and then repeat the same process. With this business, you can make as much as 60,000 naira a week, and even much more if you are willing to put in the work. Number 2 is make facial masks. So as you all know, we're living in unprecedented times where our way of life, and certainly the way we dress, is changing. In most countries now, you are required to wear a facial covering whenever you're in public. I recently went out to get one of these and it was pretty expensive. I hear this used to be sold for 50 naira before COVID-19, but I got this one for 300 naira. That is 6 times the amount. It is obvious people won't be able to afford this, hence the need for cheaper alternatives. And that is where you come in. You can start making homemade facial masks for friends, families, neighbors, people on your streets, colleagues at work. All you need to do is to find an ingenious way to make it, because there are a lot of people making facial masks. So you want to stand out and differentiate yourself from other people that are making facial masks. And if you can make it attractive enough, people will buy. Trust me, people will buy. People will even buy multiple because they need multiple to go with their outfits, or even to use multiple times, because I mean, you're advised only to use them once, so you can't have just one. You need to have a lot of it. So that's where you come in, and you can sell multiple to multiple people. Number 3 is create a food package and sell. There's a huge market for people who sell cooked food, and you can be one of those making a killing. There are a lot of people who can cook and would rather buy food and put in their fridge. I'm one of those people, essentially. But it's not just about cooking and advertising, as I see so many people do on social media. It's about creating a product around your cooking. So let's say you cook a foriro, jollof rice, fried rice, moi moi, etc. You can create a product called the bachelor's package or the singles package that is directly aimed at singles who can't cook. You could even go further to create weekend package, or breakfast package, or lunch package. By doing this, you are creating a product that is relatable, which is what all these big restaurants and food chains, which is what they do, really. Number 4, this one is specifically for students and is using a website called Itsoki. I'm going to have to go onto my computer now to show you how to use that website. Just so you know, I'm not affiliated with them in any way, and they are not sponsoring this video. So Itsoki is a website where language learners and language teachers are connected via video chats. So basically, how to make money here is you can register as a professional teacher or as a community tutor. So as a professional teacher, you need to upload whatever certifications you have in terms of language. But if you're a community tutor, you don't need any certification. So you make money by having conversations with people. So let's say I want to learn Yoruba, for example. Come here, come to Yoruba, apply. Then you can see, so there are just 6 teachers. Woo, teaching Yoruba in the whole of Nigeria. Wow, these guys are cashing out. You can see this person has done 113 lessons. I see another person, 262 lessons, $10 per hour. You know, that's not of $2,600. I mean, guys, people are making money. And this person is just a community tutor. Let's check Igbo, which is another popular language in Nigeria. And you can see just 2 teachers in the whole of Nigeria. These guys are cashing out. 167 lessons, 84 lessons. You could just register here and set your rate, hourly rate, and then people would contact you to learn language. So if you're a student and you have time, you should totally jump on this. Number 5, this is not really a point, but if you are watching this video and say you're a cleaner in one of those banks that plan on retrenching staff, please don't dwell on your predicament for too long. If this happens, accept your situation and move on. There are a lot of people who require the services of a cleaner in their personal homes. I personally have a friend who has someone that comes into his house to clean once every week, and he pays the person 15,000 naira every month. Now, if you can string 3 to 4 of those together, then you will make a decent amount every month. You may need to print out a flyer and go door to door, putting yourself out there for those opportunities. This is like the last option for people in this category, and that's if you are in a desperate situation and really need something to do. So alright guys, so that's it from me. I really hope you learned something in this video. If you did, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.